Hello and happy Monday. I just filmed my Medusa's makeup and I love my look. Like, I love this eyeshadow from Urban Decay. This one is Cosmic. Obsessed. It's exactly how I want it to look. But I just got this lipstick in my Medusa's makeup and I wanted to try it because it looked really pretty. Definitely about to get an email. It's gonna ding. I figured I'd just try it on camera with you guys. Okay, let me handle that email. Okay, so here it is. It's the So Soothing Cashmere Matte Long Lasting Matte Lipstick in the color Chestnut. And I don't think I've ever tried one this exact kind of color. Oh, it goes on really nice. And it smells chocolatey. It's got like a cocoa smell to it. I don't know if it looks very good on me. But the color is beautiful. This color is gorgeous. So you'll have to let me know what you guys think. It looks darker on screen than it does in person. In person, you can really pick up on all the really rich, like red and orange notes that are underneath this brown. I think it's kind of cool. I think I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. It's probably darker than I would normally go with, but I think it looks pretty good. You'll have to let me know what you guys think. Hello and happy Thursday. I've literally filmed like nothing this week, but I wanted to film now because I'm using one of the items from the K&D box. I am using this Clever Sleep Time Super Latte. Just add water. So my kettle just got done and I already have it in my cup. I'm gonna add some water. And it recommends doing a little frothing. So I'm just gonna make sure it's all mixed up and then I'll do a little frothy. Where is the frother? I have no idea. The one that they sent is out of reach, so I'm gonna use my old one. Just giving it a little extra mix. Froth. It's not looking like much right now. I don't want to like tilt it too much, but it's just kind of looking like, I don't know, coffee. See, mine's doing what I said mine does in that video and being difficult. There we go. I have to mess with the batteries every time. Alright, give them a little frothy. The whiffs of smell I'm getting feel like soup. Like it smells like a savory soup. It's kind of weird. Alright, it's not getting super frothy. But, let's give it a try. Yeah, it smells vaguely savory. I'm gonna burn myself. I need to put an ice cube in here because that's gonna take forever to cool down. Okay, so there is kind of a big taste of mushroom soup, which is not the experience I've had with adaptogen coffees, but it's there. I don't remember if I've had ashwagandha coffees. I probably have, but I've definitely had reishi coffees and didn't really taste like straight up mushroom. There's also a sweetness to it and an herbalness. I don't hate it. It's just different. I don't know. It's a little strange. I will probably finish this, but I don't know if I'm going to keep the second one, since this was one of the 2 products that came in my first ripped box. I might give this to a friend, 'cause it's not exactly like what I want to be tasting as my before bed snack. Get creative with milk, and milk is spelled with a Y because, you know, we gotta be different. Can't just say nut milk. Add some cocoa butter or a spoonful of honey. That's what it says. I wouldn't add honey, obviously. Yeah. Let's try that. Let's add to the back of this cabinet. Oh. Let's add some date syrup. I need to open this one. Hi, Katie. She's in the kitchen staring at me. Okay, so let's add, is there a, better take that off. That smells good. Let's add a little date syrup and then maybe a splash of soy milk, if I can get this lid back on correctly. There we go. Just a little of that. And we'll add a little of this. I already put my spoon away. Let me grab another spoon. I don't know why I'm trying to put this in a cabinet. This obviously goes in the fridge. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna get a fresh spoon. It's on the pile of dirty dishes I have to put in the dishwasher. Okay, spoon. Give it a little mixy. Yeah, that's a little better. Not terrible. But yeah, I'm gonna give away the second packet of this to my friend because I don't think I'm gonna want to go through this quickly because it's just not like craveable. And if I'm having a before bed like snack or drink, I really want it, you know, after drinking and eating things all day. Maybe it's just me. But we'll see if it makes me any sleepier. I will report back.
Hello and happy Friday. I really need to get a bigger mirror for down here, but I am heading out to grab a coffee. I've got my Doc Martens, some old baggy jeans from J. Crew, my Friday shirt because it's Friday, sweater, jacket, my pink coat, actually not a jacket, my Stella, and my Maui Jims, which I never wear because I never really wear a lot of like cooler tone stuff, but when I do, I love these for them. I love these sunglasses so much. Yeah, I think most of what I'm wearing is actually from J. Crew, which is funny. Pants, shirt, sweater, coat. I can't help it. I've got a favorite. Mom's got a favorite. She can't help it. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab my coffee now.
I got the seasonal cold brew with oat milk, but I think I'm gonna add a little date syrup when I get home because it's got kind of like spices mixed in, reminiscent of like a chai. I feel like a little bit of sweetness would just really enhance it. Not a lot, just a little. So it's quite good though. And actually thought my hand would be cold. It's not that cold because it's not iced, so that works. I also got a compliment on my outfit. The kid at checkout was like, I really like your whole style. And I'm like, thank you. Thank you very much. so my head will be big for the rest of the day now. Hello and happy Sunday. We're going to get bagels and coffee. You are in my shot, sir.
Girl.
I decided to get dressed, so I'm wearing this vintage skirt, which I love. My brown boots, because it's cold. Green shirt, which pulls from the skirt. Blue purse pulling from the skirt. And then, even though there's like kind of close to the shade in the skirt, I went with something more muted because it's, well, really because it's longer and warmer. But also just to pull it down a little because that was getting real colorful. Got my necklace and my gloves because it's cold, and we are heading to get bagels. We went to Home Goods just to get out of the house because I'm looking for something new to pizzazz up my bookshelves, and I found approximately nothing. Austin got a new sink gobbledygook catcher. What are those called? I have no idea. And then I got a spice packet, as I usually do. I love the spice packets at Home Goods. But yeah, and then I started feeling nauseous. I was getting really car sick. So in the winter, when the trees get naked and all the light just like flashes by when you're driving from like going through the tree branches, it makes me very nauseous. And I'm someone who gets car sick very easily anyway, so that made me extra nauseous. So now I'm just home working on my planner for the next week. We didn't really do very much this week. I don't even know if there's really much of a vlog at all. I'll have to see when I go to sit down and look at it tomorrow, but I don't know. Hey, oh hey. I did stuff today. I did stuff that could have been filmed, and I just didn't even think about it. Don't know why. I walked home from the chiropractor's. I stopped and got coffee. I did a bunch of yoga. I did 2 yoga videos today because I really just come to the realization I'm not doing yoga with Adrienne videos on Fridays. I just don't do them on Fridays. Fridays is my day off. So I did 2 videos today. And then I walked to the chiropractor. It was a gorgeous day by that point. Granted, when I was walking home from the chiropractor, did I say chiropractor twice? I walked to the masseuse. When I was walking from the chiropractor this morning, it was still freezing. Like I was wearing gloves and my hands were cold holding my hot coffee. But when I walked to the masseuse later in the day, it was lovely. Lovely out. So I could have filmed that. Just didn't. Don't know why. Didn't even think about it. So, yeah. But I'm having a passion fruit liqueur spritz, which is delicious. I ran out of Aperol, so this is doing the trick. But this just used up the last of my Prosecco too, so I should have probably stopped at the liquor store on the way home from the masseuse and picked up a couple things. But maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll make that my walk tomorrow. I've been enjoying being outside so much. Even though it was really cold this morning, I loved my walk. I love going on walks. But I like having a destination, you know? So, yeah. I'm watching Worst Cooks in America. It's a plant-based episode. This season is really good. I'm enjoying it. It's cute. They have like viral sensation people as their people this season, and it's adorable. They got the Gorilla Glue hair lady. Loving her. And the guy that does the Dora the Explorer memes. Love him too. And generally love a lot of these people, even though I don't know them from social media. But anyway. All this to say, the weekly vlog's probably going to be boring. But I promise the next one will be a little more interesting. We're going to see Shangela. I'm very excited about it. So, cheers.